Every smartphone begins far from the screen you touch.
Raw earth is stripped down to its purest form. Cleanliness is the first step toward precision. Moisture is removed before refinement can begin. Material moves deeper into the production ecosystem. Conductivity begins with mined metal. Stone is reduced to usable material.
Only what meets the standard moves on.
Each element is tracked from the very beginning. Now, the journey toward technology truly begins.
Every movement inside the factory is precisely controlled.
Raw materials are never left to chance.
Human oversight supports automated flow.
Each load is directed to its next destination. Transport happens without interruption.
Every transpoint is monitored.
Verification ensures continuity. Materials arrive exactly where they are needed.
Different elements take different paths.
The factory prepares for its first transformation.
This is where raw material meets precision. A single ecosystem built for scale.
Every zone has a purpose. Contamination is controlled from the first step. Timing locks quality in place.
Flow is constantly adjusted.
Material enters its first transformation zone. Processes begin out of sight. The factory is now fully active. Before shaping begins, purity is enforced. The transformed material moves forward. Even microscopic contamination is removed. Dry material ensures consistency. Only uniform material is allowed forward. Flow is stabilized before the next step.
Material is measured to exact tolerances.
Metals receive the same scrutiny. Clean inputs define reliable outputs. Independent paths converge. The foundation is now ready for transformation. Core processing begins with controlled heat.
Solid becomes fluid under exact conditions.
Shape is defined while material is alive.
Cooling locks structure in place.
Strength is reshaped into utility. Precision defines conductivity. Independent components align in timing. The building blocks are ready for intelligence. Raw components now become functional parts. Durability is engineered at the surface.
Nothing unnecessary moves forward. Accuracy is etched in early.
Paths for data are carefully carved.
Circuits are prepared for integration.
Visibility and conductivity meet. Stability follows every change. Components prepare to unite.
Automation takes control.
Robots operate without hesitation. Layers align under constant control. Separate parts become one. Temperature is reduced in stages.
Verification never stops.
Edges are refined for assembly.
Flow is balanced across the line.
Timing is everything. Structure is carved from solid metal. All parts converge. Fitment defines reliability.
Energy is integrated with care.
Connections must never fail. The device takes its final form. Finish matters at every touch point. Nothing unwanted remains. Surface quality is verified. Protection begins before shipping.
Every device must now prove itself.
Quality is measured before release.
Durability is verified with precision.
Extreme conditions are no surprise.
Every function must pass scrutiny.
Appearance is part of reliability.
Communication must be flawless.
Internal precision is non-negotiable.
Functionality is confirmed.
Human verification complements automation.
Every package is precisely prepared.
And this is how modern factories produce smartphones from start to finish.